So Vic, this is a very fishy looking run, but with this low water, I don't want to spook fish. How should we approach this? What direction would you give me to work this run successfully?
Well, I guess because the trout are going to be facing upstream here, we'll want to start by fishing the lower section, the lower portion of this run. And we can gradually move upstream to where that riffle is there. And we've got a really nice seam there with that foam line coming down. You definitely want to get some nymphs in there. Fish could basically be anywhere, right from that foam line, that seam.
I like this indicator setup. That's a pleasure to cast.
Yeah, you don't even know it's on. It's nice and light, floats really well.
It must be good for, for some of your clients that aren't proficient casters and have had enough trouble casting, and then to throw a big corky on to really throw the
extra weight with an indicator.
All
yeah. Well, this yarn's basically weightless, so you don't really even know it's on.
And I would think it's more sensitive too, right? Because some of those big corkies they use, you've seen those ones that are like air-filled balls, and fish has got to move that a fair bit, eh? Oh, that looks like we've got something here, Vic. Your technique works again.
It worked.
Running around a bit, so it's behaving a bit more like a rainbow, but it could be a whitefish. Seems to have that golden glow of a whitefish, I think. Nymphs are getting down because it's another good-sized whitefish. We're holding up in this water. Right in the, got that pheasant tail right in the snout again.
And another good whitefish.
There's another good-sized whitefish here. So we've got both species of fish inhabiting this run, rainbows and whitefish. Another one to the net. Thank you, Vic.
There we go. You bet.
It's got that pheasant tail right in the snout again. We'll hold them upside down, and usually that calms them down, and we'll put that on. Show everybody at home. Between my legs. Show everybody. Should face them upstream, but looks to be in good shape. That's a good-sized whitefish. How big do they get in here, Vic?
Oh, they won't get too much bigger than what you see right there. So, close to 18 inches, I guess. 17, 18 inches.
Put up a good tussle, not like a rainbow, but certainly beats scoring a blank, as they say. So let him go, and off he goes.